Nani nani ke. Nani nani ke is mean a casual suffix to confirm something you are trying to remember. They say that a casual suffix to confirm something you are trying to remember. This means that when you use the ke, it means you not sure about something in yourself. For example, somebody told you that somebody told you about his or her age, or his or her birthday, or his or her father, grandfather name, right? But the time passed away, so you are not really, you remember but you're not sure. So you can ask back that when is your birthday, or what is your father name, something like this. So each of it is, in the case like this, you can say get to help confirm that something like this, but is this true? To confirm something like this. So in Japanese, when you use the grammar of ke, you can use the verb, noun, and adjective, including non-adjective and e-adjective. But in the verb, you can use any form, dictionary form, or mass form, or past tense form, depends to you. But for the noun, you should change, you should end by da or datta. Non-adjective is the same, da or dattake, 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 something like this. And for the e-adjective, you can change to be the past tense, right? For katta, oishikatta, something like this. Tanushikattake, something like this. Oishikattake, something like this. So what you remember is something about this. So the next we are going to learn about some example to make more understand about how to use the grammar of nani nani ke. So let's see together. The first sentence, 次のテストっていつだっけ？次のテストっていつだっけ？ This means, when is the next test again? When is the next test again? Or when is the next examination again? Something like this. In a situation like this, that means your teacher or another body already told you that when is the test will be taught, will be taken again, right? But you're not sure, so you can ask back to your friend or somebody else to confirm that is true or not. You can say, 次のテストっていつだっけ? Something like this. And the next example. あなたの誕生日いつだったっけ? あなたの誕生日いつだったっけ? Right. So it means, when was your birthday again? When was your birthday again? That means that your friend birthday you already went to enjoy your friend birthday, but now you already forget or you're not sure about that day. So you can ask your friend back that when was your birthday, right? So in Japanese, you can say いつだったっけ, which means in the past tense, that the situation that happened in the past tense, but you don't remember, or even you remember but you're not sure. いつだったっけ? あなたの誕生日はいつだったっけ? You can say あなたの名前は何だったっけ? something like this. The next, doko ni sunde irun dakke? Doko ni sunde irun dakke? Doko ni sunde irun dakke? It means, where did you live again? Where did you live again? The next, 自己紹介したっけ? 自己紹介したっけ? Which means, have I already introduced myself? Have I already introduced myself? So for the first sentence, that means doko ni sunde irun dakke, which means that your friend already or another body already told you that where does he live, but you're not sure. Even you remember, you're not sure, so you can say doko ni sunde irun dakke, something like this. And for the second sentence, 自己紹介したっけ? In this case, that means maybe you work in group and many things, and you are really busy at that time, and many people already introduce themselves completely, but you're not sure about yourself. Maybe you are too busy, so you can ask back to your friend to confirm that did you already or have you already introduced yourself, to confirm that, because you are not sure. So you can say 自己紹介したっけ? Something like this. So I hope that you understand well about how to use the grammar of dakke.